Go.
Mrs. Toast Science Class. Solids. It is Monday in Mrs. Toast Science Class. We must clean as solids. I put my vest on the desk. What it is, Mrs. Toast asked. I say it is a solid. Very good, says Mrs. Toast. Celeste brings a wasp in a jar. She puts the jar on her. Yes, we all gasp. What is it? We ask. Celeste says it is a solid. Very good, says Mrs. Post. Nash brings a bird nest. He puts it on his desk. What is it? We ask. Nash says it is a solid. Very good, says Mrs. Post. Ras puts 2 eggs on his desk. One is cooked and the other is raw. We all gasp. What is it? We ask. Ras points to the cooked egg and he says it is a solid. Then Rask points to the raw egg. He says it is a liquid. Very good, Rask says Mrs. Post. Then Mrs. Post his our task is to bring a liquid next week.
Go.
Liquids. It is Thursday in Mrs. Post science class. We must bring a liquid. I put juice on my desk. What it is? Mrs. Post asked. I say it is a liquid. Very good, says Mrs. Post. Ash brings a bottle of oil. What is it? We ask. Nash says it is a liquid. Very good, says Mrs. Potts. Rask says the bottle it is a solid. The liquid is in a solid. Very good, Rask says Mrs. Post. Fish brings a cup of water. She put it on her desk. What is it? We asked. Trish says it is a liquid. Very good, says Mrs. Post. Solid. It is Monday in Mrs. Post science class. We must show more than one solids and describe them. I show my shoes and my belt. Shows boxes, a small box and a big box. Rask shakes the big box. He thinks it is a gift. Ash shows fruits, a banana and orange and a mango. tries Ras tries to eat a banana.
Asan na yung ginawa ko,
Mrs.
extension?
Post asks what make these solids. We say the clothes, boxes, and clothes keep the same shape. The shape does not changes. Can you think of something that keeps the same shape? We say the clothes, boxes, and fruits take up the same space. Solids have the same volume. Can you think of something that always say the same volume? Liquids. It is Thursday in Mrs. Post science class. We must show a liquid in describe it. I show my bottle of water. I tilt it to pour the water in a cup. 3 shows her juice in a bag. She tilts it to pour the juice in a cup. Rask says, look, the liquid always goes to the bottom of the cup. Mrs. Post asks, what makes these liquids? We say the water and the juice do not keep the same shape. The shape changes in the cup. They take the shape of the solids they are in. Can you think of something that changes shape when you pour it? Gases. Ras show a balloon. He keeps in his chest. He blows it up. We say the air in the balloon is a gas. It changes shape. It changes volume. It takes the shape and volume of the solids it is in. Can you think of something that is a gas?